Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete TradingView account on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete the TradingView account on our phone, first open up your TradingView app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. And after logging into your TradingView account on your app, guys, on this interface, first you'll land on the watch list on your TradingView app, and over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu button with the three line icons. Tap on the three line icons at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll land over here where you can see the settings button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button and you can see the delete account button. Tap on it and tap on yes, delete my account over here, the red button, and your TradingView account will be deleted from your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete your TradingView account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.